Banchanidhi, come. Banchanidhi, go. Banchanidhi, sit. Banchanidhi, stand. Banchanidhi, come, go, sit, stand.
If you grind Kans and Mahishasur together in a grinder, then the paste that comes out of it is my dad. Look at him. He's troubling that poor Banchanidhi so much.
Banchanidhi, come, go, sit, stand.
No, not anymore. I will right away go and tell dad not to trouble Banchanidhi more. Oh, dad had beaten me up last time.
Hey, huh?
Mom, Mom, it's hurting. No, I can't handle this anymore. Even if he beats me, that's okay. But I will save Banchanidhi. Dad!
Hey, you scared me. What happened? Why are you shouting so loudly?
What happened? You are torturing this speechless animal so much and you are asking me what happened. You want me to keep watching so much of torture to this poor? Impossible!
What? Don't you think you are talking too much in love of this dog? Don't you know who am I?
Don't you know who am I? Me. I am grandson of Kalanti Charan Das, grandson of Govardhan Das, son of Rankaratan Das, Gauranga Das, Gauranga Das, Gauranga Das.
Hey, don't eat my head now. Otherwise, I will beat you so much that you will become red all over.
Oh, you think I am a red foot? That you will make me red all over? And if you feel that your head is heated up, then put some Navratna oil and make it thanda thanda cool cool. Thanda thanda cool cool.
Hey, wait. Wait, let me show
Wait,
you.
Dad.
Come.
You have granny's
Wait.
promise. Don't beat me.
Huh? Hey, what is this? You are giving me my mother's promise.
Let it be, Dad. But first tell me, why did you name our dog Banchanidhi? And why are you torturing him so much?
Okay, let me tell you the story behind it. In my office, there is a boss who keeps shouting at me.
Mr. Ranka, you can't even do a single thing properly. You make mistakes in everything you do. What did you think? You will never get caught? Remember, my name is Banchanidhi Maharana. Got it? And whoever has how many gaps, I know it all. Got it? Mr. Ranka? You don't even know how to operate a computer? You get all your work done by your junior. What did you think? I will never come to know? My name is Banchanidhi Maharana. And whoever has how many gaps, I know it all. Got it?
Did you get it, Gaura? Do you know my situation? He keeps insulting me in office every day because he is my boss.
Let it be, Dad, let it be. Don't cry now. And don't be so emotional.
Okay, I will not cry. Now you only tell me that since I kept the dog's name as Banchanidhi, I get happy whenever I order him and remove my frustration. Then where am I wrong here?
Where are you wrong? You are certainly wrong here. If your boss insults you, that does not mean that you will get angry and remove your frustration on this poor speechless dog. Dad, have you gone crazy or what?
What did you say? I am crazy? Wait, I'll show you.
Dad, I am giving you your promise. Don't beat me for this.
Today, even if you give me my promise or your mom's promise, I will still not spare you.
It's hurting.
Wait.
Please leave me.
Bark. How much ever you bark, Banchanidhi, I feel good. Bark now.
What? What did you say? Bark, Banchanidhi, bark. You have named your dog on my name. How dare you?
Sir, how come here?
Yes, I am here. I had come to invite you for my daughter's wedding. I was standing outside and I heard everything you said.
Sir, I am sorry, sir.
You are sorry? What were you thinking? I will never come to know. My name is Banchanidhi Maharana. And whoever has how many gaps, I know it all. Got it? You can come tomorrow and take your suspension letter.
Hey, Gaura, you were right. I tortured this speechless animal. Because of my mistake, God has punished me and I lost my job.
Dad, don't worry. Since you are feeling sorry for your mistake, that is more than enough.
Hey Gaura, you really opened my eyes today and I also understood my mistake. I am sorry Gaura for beating you for this.
Dad, If you really want to say sorry, then don't tell sorry to me. If you are really sorry, then you should say sorry to Banchanidhi.
Sorry, Banchanidhi. I made a mistake.
I don't want your sorry at all. My name is Banchanidhi Maharana. And whoever has how many cabs, I know it all. Got it? Hey, you oldie, shut up. Since when you are repeating the same dialogue again and again, as if you are some kind of a hero. You say that you know all the flaws of everyone. Hey, do you even know how many flaws you have? Now listen to me. You have 9 flaws in total. And if you talk more, then I will show you who I am. Then you will have 10 flaws in total. Mr. Ranka, see how he is talking to me like this. I am telling you that I am suspending you from tomorrow. Hey, you oldie, you want to suspend him, right? What's the big deal? Since when you are saying, I will suspend you, so suspend him. The place where my dad does not have respect, my dad will anyways not work there. Alright then, I am leaving.
What have you done? My boss is also gone and my job is also gone.
Dad, even if your job is gone, not a problem. From tomorrow onwards, we will do farming at the back of our house.